Hey guys, it's been a while, and you might have noticed some things that are different, but welcome back to my channel. The first thing you might have noticed is these. Yes, I got braces. I actually had them for about a week and a half. I plan on doing like a whole video about it. So yeah, just pretend they're not a thing. Also, my hair is like a weird green color now. So we're just gonna ignore that as well. Also, my roommates have a friend over, so you might be able to hear them, but I'm gonna try to talk over them. Also, it's been a while since like a quality video. I don't really count the hair dyeing one because it was just a fun one, but it's been a while since I've had a quality video because of technical difficulties. My editing software is just pissing me the fuck off, so hopefully I can work around that or whatever, or something. I don't know, something, dear God, because I really want to be consistent with uploading, but it's really hard when your software just doesn't work, and it makes me so mad because it'll render the video to like 90% and then it'll crash. I'm like, oh my god, okay. It's fine. But anyways, we're gonna do a staple on this channel and do a BOXYCHARM unboxing. I actually have filmed a few videos, like it's been since January, I think was the last one. I filmed one for February and I filmed one for March. But they never made it to my channel because I could never get them rendered. So, but anyways, hopefully I will be able to with this one. But we'll just go ahead and jump right into it. But before we get started, you can follow me on my socials and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And let's just get into it. The theme is sweet treats. So the first thing in the box is this, and I was excited for it. I'm still like moderately excited for it, but we'll see. This is a Natasha Denona palette. It's the Ayana palette, I think is how you say that. It's the brown one. It was between this one and a colorful one. I'll put the colorful one up on the screen. I of course wanted the colorful one, and I of course did not get the colorful one, but it's Natasha Denona. I've never tried her shadows before, so I'm still gonna try it, and I'm still probably gonna keep it, but still, it's just a neutral palette, and I've said it before, I'm not a huge fan of neutral palettes. I have enough. I don't need more. I want more colorful stuff, and I was like praying to the heavens and beyond that I would get the colorful one, and I didn't, but it's fine. We're moving on. We're moving on. The next two things in the box, we're gonna kind of all go together. So the next thing is this. It's the Appeal Liquid Eyeshadow, and it's like in rose gold is the actual shade, which I don't know. I try to use everything in the box, but this doesn't really like go together, because this is like really like warm. Well, I guess it's pretty cool, but it's definitely not like rosy is what I'm trying to say. And yeah, I don't know. And then there's the Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick Ultra Velvet. So I think it's like a shadow stick, and it's this really like taupey brown color. So yeah, which is similar to this, so I might use this in the crease instead of this one, just for the sake of trying all the shit out. But yeah, so I'm gonna zoom you in and we'll do a quick, hopefully decent eye look. overall. I actually really like this. I wasn't expecting to not like it. I just wish I had gotten the other one. The shimmer that I use right here is really soft, and like you probably can see, like when I put it on my eye, it was just like, how you doing? Like, hello. This thing was actually pretty good, so I was surprised. This, I think, is gonna be, it just doesn't really match the look, and it's like throwing me off, I think. But I think if I had a different, like if I used a different palette, it would be better. But yeah. So the next thing in the box is this guy. This is the StudioMakeup Tinted Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, and I got mine in the shade Honey. I kind of already looked at this, and I think it's gonna be a little too dark for me, but I'm hoping that with it being a tinted moisturizer, it will be fine. We'll see. But it has like, it's like a tube, but then you open it up and it has a pump. I'm not really sure how I feel about those. I feel like you don't really get the most out of your, like, out of the tube. Like, I feel like if it was just like a regular squeezy tube, it would be a little better. But oh well. We're just gonna, I would use like a sponge on one half and then a brush on the other half, but I like rarely use a sponge anymore, and it's not even that I don't like it to use a sponge. It's so dark. It matches like my body, but I don't even know if my neck is like dark enough. We'll figure it out. Anyways, I don't know, like I just am too lazy to clean it, so I just never use it anymore. I know that's a really dumb reason to not use something, but yeah. Oh, that's so dark. Okay. I thought maybe it had a scent, but I don't think it does. Oh, it's so dark. I think this is one of the ones that I picked for my box, and I really wanted this one as opposed to a different one, like the other option, but they didn't have, they were like out of the shade that I actually needed, so I just went with one darker because I didn't want to go with one lighter because of the last tinted moisturizer that I tried. But oh well. So initial thoughts as I just finished applying it, it's definitely dewy, which is probably the hyaluronic acid at work, because that's what that's for, is like moisture. It feels sticky, and I'm not a fan of that. We'll see what happens once I like set it. I don't love how it looks right here, like in between my brows. It's definitely dewy. I'm not a dewy kind of girl. Kind of look like an Oompa Loompa as well. But I'm going to finish up the rest of my face, and then I'll get back to you after I do all that, and then we'll be ready for the last thing in the box. So I finished up the rest of my makeup, and oh, I didn't do my lips. Hold on. This is the Essence Plumping Nudes in Big Softy. Probably be better if I line my lips, but well. Anyways, this is the last thing in the box, and I just realized I didn't tell you the prices of anything, but I will when I add it all up. But I usually don't do this very last. I usually do like my mascara and brow gel last, but I didn't feel like putting this on and then having to do more, so whatever. Anyways, this is the Kinder Glow Highlight Palette in, does it have a shade name? Cocoa Glow Highlighting Palette. Includes 3 universally flattering highlighters and a marble highlighter. I don't know how I feel about marble highlighters. The packaging is pretty cute though. I'll give them that. Okay. So this is the palette. This one I'll probably never be able to use, no matter how tan I get. This one's like really yellowy, like you can tell on camera too. This is the marble one. Like I said, I like how, I guess the good thing about marble, especially the way this one is, you can kind of put it more in the brown or more in the white. I don't know, and then this one's like, this will probably be a good shade for me. I'll probably try to use both of these, to be honest, just so I can sample them all, both, whatever. Yeah. Oh my god. We're good. Anyways, so I'm gonna take this one, which is Loving. Nope. Oh, I have so much cat hair now on my brush because I dropped it on the floor. Okay, anyways. Okay, that's pretty. I feel like super bright highlights are kind of being phased out. So is matte. A matte complexion, but I will never get behind dewy. I'll get behind glowy, but I can't do dewy. Okay, then I'm gonna take the other side of the brush and I'm gonna kind of just swirl it around in here, I think. Okay, yeah, since this one has the white base, it's definitely more, even with like the brown mixed in, it's definitely, you can tell it's more white. Yeah, I don't know if you guys will be able to tell the difference. Like, look how white that one is versus this one. I don't know. You can tell. I can tell in person. But yeah, okay. Let's do, for the sake of experimentation, we'll do the yellow one, which is called Angel, on the nose, because why not? Oh. I'd say that one's a little too light for me. I'd say the yellow is too light for me. I did go in a little harder than I needed to, though. Maybe it's like an inner corner highlight. Ooh, yes, actually. I'm gonna use that too. I tried to use all the shades in the palette, and I put that one, like, pewtery color on the inner corner, and I shouldn't have done that because it looks really bad. Let's put this in there. So I tried to put the other shimmer shade in the palette on top to kind of lighten it up a little bit. It still looks bad. It's not my best work, we'll just say that. But anyways, yeah, I think the highlights are very intense. I mean, I like a good highlight, but I know that the super like metallic ones are getting phased out a little bit, so I don't know how like on trend it necessarily is. I already sprayed my face with setting spray. They're not looking super powdery though. They are definitely glowy. Definitely glowy. So if you're into that, which I do love a good highlight, okay? So, and I'll tell you the prices as I'm going down. The palette is $48. The Tinted Moisturizer is $35. The shadow stick is $25. The liquid eyeshadow is $21, and then this is only $15. Wow, okay. I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. And the total is $144. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, so I mean, good deal like always, nothing new, you know. So I think that's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, please follow me on my socials, and I'll see you guys in my next video.